Welcome everyone to use screen recording with sound. Let's start by opening up the settings, and from here you're going to locate where it says control center. Then we need to turn on the screen recording, so I'm going to turn mine off, and to turn it on just locate the screen recording and tap on the plus. To view your screen recorder, if your iPhone does not have a home button, you swipe down from the far right hand side, and if your iPhone has a home button, you swipe up from the bottom. You're going to long press the screen recording icon here, and where it says microphone, let's say you want to speak, you want to give a commentary to your screen recording, turn this one on, and if this one is off, your system sound will be recorded, but you must make sure sound is on your iPhone, and if the mute switch is on, turn off the mute switch, turn off that silent mode, and then let's proceed. So we're going to tap on the start recording icon here, and after the countdown, the recording should start. So every action you do will be recorded, but don't lock your iPhone, otherwise the recording will end. To stop the recording, you're going to see the red bar here. You're going to tap on the red bar, and then you'll see stop. If your screen recording just crashes and it's not working, that's a storage problem. You will need to free up storage. So the screen recording was saved. So let's have a look here. There we go. The actions have been recorded. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.